I've got a 2005 Chevy Tahoe Z71. When I start it up, as you can see, I have a check engine light on, and I'll show you the code to that. Went to Amazon, purchased this CV56 vapor canister. This is what it looks like. Cost me $18.97 plus tax. And this is it. I'll go ahead and show you how to install this. Okay, I'm under my truck back here on the passenger side by the spare tire, and if I look up in here, right there's what I got to replace. It's doable. I don't have to jack my truck up, although if you do, it's the plus, but I have plenty of room. Right now I'm going to start taking it apart. I have a hose right there I've got to take apart just by squeezing those ends in, and I do have a wire. It is running to it. I will show you that here in a second, but right there is the source of the wire. It goes in on the other side, it looks like. So let me see if I can get this camera set up to where you can see me take it off. Okay, I want to take this and I'm going to squeeze these two sides together. You may have to take a screwdriver and pry them out. But I'm going to try and get them off. There's not a whole lot of room in here. There's one side. Okay. I'm going to go get a little screwdriver and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm going to take this screwdriver right here. And I'm going to pop that off of that side instead of squeezing it, and I'm going to pop this side off of this side. Be careful not to break it. Now that they're off, I'm going to twist that hose until it comes off. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove this because the wire's right here on the other side. It's got a little clip up here. You just pull it off. And now right here is your harness wire. Just take this clip right here, just pull it back to unlatch it, and then just pull the harness out. And that's it. Now this is the new one, set up just like the old one. I'm going to go ahead and plug the wire in. It goes right here. It should snap right in, if I can get my arm up in here. My arms are pretty big. There we go. Now snap down. Now what I'm going to do is spin it around. I'm going to put this right inside here. It's a tight fit, which you want a tight fit. You don't want it to vibrate off. Make sure you get it all the way on there. Ooh, as far as I can get it. Plug this up. All you gotta do is push it on there. So it snaps. I'll try and wiggle that on there a little bit more. It looks like as far as it's going to go. And that's it. Now we'll see if that fixes the problem. I went ahead and reset the check engine light, and it's been a couple weeks and the light has still not reappeared, so I'm guessing that this issue has been resolved. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.